Number 1. 2020 Corolla, the new shape, the facelift shape, the best sold car in history, didn't get where it is now by only being affordable throughout its life, which stretches over 50 years and 13 generations. The compact car, subcompact period to 1991, has exhibited an enviable level of practicality and, above all, reliability. The new 2020 Toyota Corolla sticks to the proven formula. Number 2. 2020 Supra. The iconic Toyota Supra marks its return to showroom across the world after more than 15 years of absence. One of the coolest Japanese cars ever built would not be possible without the help from BMW, which also got an all-new Z4 out of the deal. The Mark V Supra, also known under the code name A90, puts the Japanese brand back on the map of true performance cars. All due respect to 86, but it comes as more of an appetizer compared to the real meat and potatoes here. Number 3. 2020 Suzuki Swift. With its eye-catching look and high-performance standards, Swift from the house of Suzuki has been driving the heart of riders for some time now. It is especially the dynamic sense of style that sets Suzuki Swift 2019 apart from other brands from the compact car segment. One thing very special and specific to the car is that it gives you more of everything without compromising on performance and style, all against an affordable price package. A young and dynamic car, it can be used for personal and family travels as well as fun-yielding adventures. Number 4. 2020 Tacoma. After the third generation of Toyota mid-size pickup for the North American market made its debut in 2016, the Japanese are now bringing a refreshed model for MY's 2020, first showcased at 2019 Chicago Motor Show. The facelifted 2020 Toyota Tacoma now sports a revised grille and new LED headlamps. More important than mild exterior revisions is the introduction of previously unavailable technologies and convenience features. Number 5. 2020 Highlander. The Japanese have let their mid-size SUV soldier on for too long, and it's about time they have done something about it. With a Hyundai Palisade and Kia Telluride entering the race, the segment instantly become more competitive. The Japanese have answered the call by introducing the redesigned 2020 Toyota Highlander, which now utilizes the TNGA platform for its underpinnings. That should help it improve on its comfort and driving dynamics alike. Number 6. 2020 Avalon. Fully redesigned in mid-2018, the full-size sedan is yet again one of the best vehicles in its segment. It offers a highly refined interior with comfortable seats and a correspondingly comfy ride, a long list of standard safety and convenience gear, and a lineup deep enough to fit virtually any pocket apart from the relatively shallow ones. Avalon does have a relatively high starting price. You see, the base Avalon XLE starts from $36,500. Number 7. 2020 Camry TRD. With 343,439 units sold during 2018, the Camry is one of 3 Toyota models to find itself among the top 10 best-selling vehicles in the United States, alongside the aforementioned RAV4 in 4th and Corolla in 10th place respectively. It's still the best-sold mid-size sedan on the United States market, which has got to count for something in spite of the once undisputed segment's waning popularity. Number 8. 2020 Land Cruiser. The largest and most expensive Toyota SUV is also the most outdated of them, all considering how the current J200 model were introduced way back in 2007. And yet, the Japanese are not planning on updating their body-on-frame SUV, at least not for model year 2020. New models are accepted in 2021, and with United States sales steady at 3,235 units in 2018. Number 9. 2020 Scoria. The full-size Scoria is another ancient model within the Toyota range, introduced back for MY 2008, with the last facelift occurring relatively recently during MY 2018. The Scoria is now set to remain mostly unchanged by at least 2021, if not longer. With that in mind, the 2020 year model will not be bringing anything new in terms of upgrades, but Toyota has still prepared something that might dive hot body on frame SUV fans. Number 10. 2020 Prius. The Toyota Prius bears a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motor and lithium-ion battery pack for a combined output of 121 horsepower and 105 pound-feet of torque. Another difference is the Prius electronic all-wheel drive system. The Prius can also be had in the plug-in prime form, which allows up to 25 miles of all-electric range. This unit costs between $28,000 and $35,000 effectively, putting it outside of Corolla hybrid range. If you like my video, then press thumbs up. If you want the more videos, then press subscribe button and then press bell icon. Thank you.